Looking first at a printed H, we have our stem, and then we have the piece that is like a little hump, like a lowercase n. So to turn it into a cursive letter, we have a line that leads into the letter, a loop at the top of the stem, and a line that leads away, and those are the differences. So now let's clear the work and let's watch me go with my blue line, and you'll see that that's the end of a stroke. So then I'm picking up with purple so you can see how it's a separate piece. And next we're going to work on making letters of different heights. And we're going to pick up then with a word. Let's write the word hug. H-U-G. All right, our other letter today is lowercase k. Here's a printed K. You can see we'll have our usual lead-in line. Off of the stem to create that flow, we will have a loop at the top. And instead of separating our hand and pulling in to make a V, we're going to actually just keep on having that flow and creating the same shape, but it makes a loop. So let's clear it and then let's make one fresh. Starting at the green dot, we have our stem piece coming all the way up to the top line, making a loop. You'll see me pick up purple and make another loop, and then you pick up yellow and flow away. Now let's try to make a K on each of the line types. So we're working on those different heights, different sizes of lettering, becoming increasingly challenging as you go down the page. And let's also work on a word. Let's write the word kite. K, practicing your new letter, I, T, E, and then we go back and dot our I and cross our T. Very good.